Devkali, a rural Indian village that has rooted and stood in the field of soldiers, weavers, and artisans. There was a lack of growth and opportunities in the entire village, in spite of having so many great artisans and weavers. To introduce and to give employment and explore the growth opportunities in the village, Poonam took an initiative in the path of growth and providing employment to the artisans in the village Devkali. Poonam, it's a great and exciting opportunity to welcome you today, and everybody is very excited here to know the journey where Devkali is now not only a designer label, but in Indian heritage, it's a very stood village where weavers, artisans are so much in numbers. Poonam, we wanted to explore and hear out your journey for not only designer brand, but also what struggles and what achievements you have gone through since the time you initiated at the early stages.
Thank you very much, Daksha. First of all, to identify us, Devkali, as a whole community and village, which is ancestral village actually. So, a little bit about Devkali. That it's a name of my village,
Yes.
where my parents and my whole family have grew up. My father was in army, a retired army, and then we have this agriculture as the main livelihood in the village, like any other village in India. So I've been out from India for very long, since 2009. I've been working in Middle East, and whenever I get back or whenever I travel back to my village to see or meet my parents, I always realize that there is a scope of education, and there is somewhere opportunity I had to create to make sure that I actually do something on a progressive note to promote education and employment at the same time. While my traveling career been to 124 countries,
That's
I
great.
thank you.
Yeah.
My mother inspired that it's her vision that we should have everybody from this village should not deprive of education. So when I reflect back and see that my father and my parents and my brothers have given back to to India by serving Indian Army, I felt that's something I should do as well, to promote education and giving back to India in my own way. And that's where my mother, who is a great supporter of always education, and that's quite of actually contradictory, because she herself is not gone to
Lot of
a higher
education,
education,
yes.
but her perspective towards life, it's so
Yeah.
huge that she always sees that children are the future, and every child deserve to be in the school.
Well said, Poonam. Symbolically, if I hear this conversation, the one thing which comes up as emotion, it's not only education empowerment or employment, it's something, a unique change which every woman empowerment and one person has to start from, specifically a village where sources are there, but the reach is not yet. And
I agree. I am the live example of that. Had it been my father have not given that opportunity to, to get proper education,
Very true.
and do more in life, then I don't think so that I would be where I am today. I'm a product of Devkali. So if I can do, I feel anybody else can do. And if I can create in this life at least 10 women like me from my village, I feel that's something I would say that I've done something and achieved something in this life.
So talking about the collection, which I can see, it's completely a couture segment, and Devkali is also dealing with print collection. Devkali attire focuses on silhouettes like pearls, hand embroidered, hand woven, and lot of work which represents an architecture and Indian heritage. Talking about the collection, let's in discussion with Poonam what inspired her the most. So Poonam, in terms of collections, please highlight us with so many collections which you have launched. If you can highlight one or two.
Sure. So Daksha, most of our inspiration comes from arts, history, nature, environment. So we do launch Devkali with the collection of Paisley. So
Wow.
this is like the Paisley lehenga, which is
Hmm.
also worn by one of my bridal
Hmm.
edit in beginning of this year.
Yeah.
Then we do have Flora and Fauna collection, Vasundhara collection, which is again inspired by Flora and Fauna.
Right.
Yeah, and then most of inspiration is India, arts, history, nature, and it's ever evolving process. So whatever we think it can, bring value, or we can create something beautiful
Yeah.
and connect fashion and art together. That's where Devkali is heading to. That's what we
Right.
inspired from.
And as Devkali is submitting to the wedding collection to a lot of pret and couture festive offers, talking about the pricing segment, which range do we cater the most?
Okay, so it really depends, Daksha, that if it's a bridal, and it's everything is handcrafted. Of
Yeah.
course, this goes on luxury side.
Yes.
But at the same time, we don't want this to be only catered to a specific
Right.
segment
Niche
or audience. Exactly.
Hmm.
We want even a bride from a village, should be able to wear Devkali,
Very
because
true.
that's
Correct.
where it is for,
Yes.
right? So we have
Starting range from?
it's starting from 15, 20, even goes up to 1.5,
And that too
3.
for wedding
Depends.
collection.
Depends, exactly.
Wow,
So it's
wow.
completely depends, like
Hmm.
how we create the
Catering the
process.
need also.
Yes, and also a part of our process, when we do the entire costing part, we ask customer,
Hmm.
you tell us your budget, and we will customize and deliver to it.
Right,
Of course,
right.
there is a room always
A space for
space for
upgradation
upgrade.
and
Yes, but we also make sure that they should
Hmm.
feel value for money.
Very well said.
Thank you.
Very true also. Talking about the sourcing for Devkali, which part of Indian region do we mostly cover and source from?
Okay, so it depends what we are sourcing. If it's cotton, or if it's georgette, or if it's chiffon or organza, we do have the suppliers, and I do my market study a lot. I
Yeah.
try and get it from the source. Like recently we got silk from Mysore, and I was just there for 2 days for a trip to
Yeah.
just explore, and I saw an opportunity. So that's
Yeah.
where we don't want to target the bigger suppliers, but at the same time we want to look for more native and the small scale business, so we
Yeah.
can take products from them and source from them and give them an opportunity, and still make sure that
Right.
even our sourcing is
Right.
actually aligned with our vision and mission.
So, in a
yes.
nutshell, tier 2, tier 3 villages which are not in
Also.
a limelight till now, the sourcing I'm sure is being done from there also.
As well, and at the same time we also do sourcing from worldwide too.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
when I travel, I mean, that's something, I see a quality of fabric, and
Yeah.
I do a lot of research on that, because when you see something very nice, why don't we bring to India
Yeah.
and think we can do this as well?
And that's the
So,
demand of the need
yes.
for this nation also.
Yeah. And that's actually goes with our quality as well.
And concept also.
Absolutely. So
Yeah.
we don't compromise on quality at all. Irrespective, we have 100% satisfaction guarantee. If my customers are not happy, we have 100% refund as well.
Yes.
Yes.
And vice versa, Poonam also carries the Indian heritage not only in Pan India but up to 28 countries in global. We are very excited, even Devkali, to broaden into Dubai, UAE from our end, so that up to 28 countries this label stand alone.
So Daksha, I would like to ask you that
Yeah.
how you going to actually support and help Devkali to have that visibility and put Devkali on the global map?
Right. It's an interesting question because a lot of forte would be covered, Poonam. Specifically, when I talk about, it's a brand which is carrying the Indian heritage, and I believe when we cover not only the production part, but there are a lot of things as a designer stores which are missing, which is behind the storyline. So when Devkali production part, the behind the story and the customer reviews comes into limelight of larger audience, it gives a massive impact. You know what it invites mainly? When we cover your loyalty towards the brand and the product, the customer has an interest of trustworthiness, credibility and authenticity, and that gives you a loyal heritage audience.
I'm looking
And
forward.
that's what we are focusing on, so that we can cover not only the forefront, the production, and portraying you on Amazon specifically and other marketplaces in coming futures, like offline stores.
Okay.
Of course, because the brand has that potential. The production part of Devkali is huge. However, the behind the stories to make a product and sources and bring on board to the customer home, that story we would definitely like to cover from our end.
Thank you very much, and we are looking forward to this.
Poonam, I'm sure every day you start your day in a studio, not only in India, and of course the cities like Doha, Qatar, where you are traveling, one leg there, one leg in India. I'm sure there are a lot of travel challenges, sourcing challenges, and other comes with which you are managing on your own. So can you just give some glimpses what exactly and how do you balance the day-to-day life and the work culture?
Thank you so much, Shraddha. That's, I think, a question for all the designers who are hustling and bustling and trying
Right.
to create an impact.
Yeah.
So it's typically logistics, to be honest. So at times is the customization itself. So some approvals required, and the customer would like to see me personally.
Yeah.
They become sometimes challenges, but then we ensure that we take care of them end to end. That's why we have created a team on a digital platform who takes care of them from the time we place an order till we deliver, and after sales as well. So the biggest challenges are customization, because at times as much as we would like to give 100% customer satisfaction, but that also becomes a challenge, because customer, they would like to do sometimes challenges, customization which is out of the scope. And that's where the process becomes slower.
Yes, because you need to also not only cater the needs, but also have to look what you can actually give them in terms of production.
So we are exploring a lot of more options and seeing that how we can tackle them, and there's always a learning at the end of it, to be honest.
Yes, it's like a graduation step actually.
Yes. And it's going to be ever evolving process. Challenges will be always there, but we see them as a stepping stone to something better and something new which we can bring.
Yes, that's what, and you would, the kind of spark which you are actually going on will be parallel to your thoughts.
Thank you so much.
And that's my blessing also for the brand Devkali.
Thank you once again.
Poonam, coming on Amazon is a very great opportunity, and I'm sure you are so much in sync with the same thought. However, what is your vision when you are coming pan-India 24/7 store on a marketplace which is with 15 crore footfall audience? So how do you vision us with your metrics?
Well, I believe the vision is always will be the same, that every support and that audience which Amazon going to provide, it's for me a step closer to put one child in the school. So every customer who buys through you or through, of course, online, offline, it's a contribution towards a better India, towards a better society, towards the future where kids are meant to be in the school and not on the roads.
Yes, and in motto to sync the regions where Indian heritage in tier 2, tier 3 cities has to be there, we will be playing an important role in reaching and taking Devkali in every corner.
So in these 2 meetings, Daksha, which we did, and I felt the process, the way you have explained, your team connect with us, it was very seamless, though with times we had challenges by coordinating, but you were very open for any sort of timings, process enhancement, or explaining us end to end that if we shouldn't be stuck in this process of onboarding and becoming the part of this bigger picture which and the platform which Amazon is giving. So thank you very, very much. We're really looking forward to this, and I'm sure this is a new gateway for us to reach to wider audience and become part of Devkali and the vision which we have it behind. So thank you so much.
You're welcome, Poonam. Definitely for reaching in terms of branding and visibility, Devkali is entering on the marketplace where it will be serving as a huge, good designated designer. Poonam, your native village is Devkali, and that's the brand label for your designer wear. Very curious to know what inspired you, in spite of having so many Gen Z words, in terms of launching your brand label. What inspired you to choose Devkali as the designer wear label?
Thank you very much, Daksha, for asking this question. And this has been a question for me from, I think, by my every customer and everybody I met, that why Devkali? Why not a name of you or your mother or somebody who represent or who designs? So the idea about I felt that I'm very small to put my name on something which can become India's next thing. So if the vision is to promote education and to promote the community, why not to name some things like that after where I come from? So if I say village is supposed to be a label, I think we have come to a little far to the reality that Devkali is becoming a label and has now reached audience in that capacity. So if I would be placing my mother's name, who is the soul behind the label, I think it's only making me and her famous. But while we place Devkali, it is the whole community which feels that it's owned by them and not by an individual. And that's what we want to connect. Like Devkali in India, there are so many villages who are Devkali and can become Devkali if we all stand together for a cause. So thank you very much.
And to add on, of course, there has to be an start, and Devkali is one of the starting brand to represent Indian heritage village name, and many more to go. Maybe, touch wood, Poonam might step into another regions to explore more and name it as designer wear.
Why not? Thank you.
Yes. It was lovely, Poonam,
Likewise.
to have you on board today, and looking forward for more expansion through us and through offline from your end.
Same here.
My
Same
best
here,
wishes are there,
Thank
and
you
may
very
God bless you with everything you aspire for.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, team. So this is one of our order piece which a customer wanted to wear. It's very similar to what I'm wearing. It has kaddana on organza and sequins work. So yeah, something which inspired a customer, but she wanted different color. And that's why we are using this ice blue color.
Yes. And the fabric is?
It's premium organza.
Right. Such soothing and calmness is there in the fabric, and definitely it's such a comfortable wear in spite of silhouettes.